Introducing Viacom's wireless video door phone. It is a simple plug-and-play device that helps monitor the visitors at your door. This wireless view and talk device lets you respond promptly from anywhere in the house. The wide camera angle and the 2.4-inch TFT LCD display captures the best possible view outside your door. The door unlock feature gives you remote access. Buy the recommended door lock and you can let the visitor in with just a click. The LED night vision technology cuts down unnecessary trips to the door after you retire to bed. A must-have for immobile members of your family. Record and store up to 100 pictures and at the same time track the visitors you missed. The sleek device allows long-distance communication. This device supports an extra monitoring remote. You can attach up to 2 remotes with one camera to monitor from multiple locations in your home. You can also install an extra camera with this device for the second door. This two-way talk device sends instant alerts when a visitor presses your doorbell. With a few clicks, it's the best home security at your fingertips. This affordable device is a must-have application for all smart homes.